Assalamu alaikum friends, I hope you're quite well, and here is a 1000 plus professional CDR banner and poster templates. But these files are protected password in this app, and follow me on Facebook. Last is my Telegram channel. Subscribe this for latest notification of any video or data. Okay, so here is fonts. Here is a preview file. You can adjust in CorelDRAW. Collect with different categories. Okay, I don't know about this font, sorry, language. You see, here is our preview file. Autumn sale, our summer sale, weekend sale. So you can adjust in Photoshop. For example, open this one, unlock here, so you can change anything. Okay, no, same thing here. For example, open this one, unlock. Okay, click object, power click. You can add it or just depend your choice. I think here is better. Okay, write anything or change anything. Our banner is ready. Close it, and here is 100 folder, and every folder have a poster. You see here. Here is a travel banner. You can edit. I know you can do it. I know you know how to use template file in CorelDRAW. Now, I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me and download this app. Our password. Take care, love, office.